If you think green tea is just a trendy drink for ladies having a spa day, well, think again. Green tea has benefits that outdo that energy drink or coffee you're having in the morning. So if you're looking for a way to increase energy, stay looking great, and even keep things straight in the bedroom department, well, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 benefits of green tea that are special for men. And make sure to watch to the end since number 5 is the best benefit of them all. Number 1, sustained energy. Many of us need that caffeine boost to get us going in the morning, but not all drinks with caffeine's magical power are created equal. Just like coffee, green tea will wake you up, but it's different since it gradually releases caffeine into your bloodstream, which means long-lasting energy for up to 6 hours. And because of its slow build, there isn't the crash that comes with those energy drinks or coffee. Number 2, improved workouts. Whether you're a gym rat or just a beginner trying to build up your stamina, green tea can do wonders. One of the downsides with exercise is the buildup of free radicals in your body, especially during intense workouts. But green tea can help. However, there's one catch. Timing matters when drinking green tea. To reap the maximum rewards, studies suggest that the best time to drink green tea is in the morning and before the workout session. Yet another reason to ditch the coffee and reach for the tea bag. Number 3, prevents balding. Even though balding is mostly hereditary, all isn't lost. Green tea contains EGCG, which has been shown to prevent hair loss by slowing the activity of hormones that caused it in the first place. It's also been shown to promote hair regrowth by stimulating hair follicles. So while it won't reverse hair loss entirely, it can prevent you from losing more. And while it hasn't been studied, there are those who swear by using green tea directly on the hair as well. Number 4, fertility. If you're looking to boost things in the baby-making department, drinking green tea regularly can naturally increase sperm counts. See, sperm is extremely sensitive to the harmful effects of free radicals, which can be reduced by the antioxidants found in green tea. And not only does green tea increase sperm count, but it also helps sperm vitality, so more of your swimmers make it to where they need to go. When studies were done on rats, 2% green tea had a 40% increase in sperm vitality. And those numbers went up to 54% when a 5% green tea was given. Number 5, prevents erectile dysfunction. If you're a guy hoping to keep things working and avoid drugs like Viagra, well, green tea has you covered. In a 2006 study that looked at antioxidant-rich foods and drinks, green tea was found to prevent the condition when antioxidants were built up in the body. The tea also helps to open blood vessels and regulate blood flow around the body, which means if you already have this condition, green tea can still work wonders. So there you have it. 5 reasons green tea isn't just for the ladies, but also works magic for the fellas as well. Let us know if we convinced you to pick up a green tea habit and what benefits you're looking for. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. We have many more videos on the way. So until next time, remember, we try to eat healthy today to be healthy tomorrow. Take care.